Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be mostly voiceover, and we kind of already gotten into the video. I'm doing a move-in. What am I doing? I'm doing a move-in recording and a room makeover while I move into my dorm. I recorded this in a time lapse because it literally took like a week to do, and this is me pushing my bed the wrong way and then turning it back the other way to get it to fit how I wanted it to be. I was mostly doing this while I was in a meeting, multiple meetings actually, for RA training. This was me eating my Panera bread soup because I completely forgot that we're not supporting them anymore. But this is just me eating the soup. I stood there for a while eating that soup. Wow. Okay. Anyway, I was literally about to go to lunch when I was eating that. But this is the next day. And is this the next day? Yes. No, it's not. This is not the next day. This is the same day. After I came back from lunch, I didn't really eat much since I had food from before. But this is me pushing the bed with my butt and moving my dresser so that it could be right next to my bed like a nightstand. A majority of the video, I'm kind of just standing there looking like, what am I supposed to do now? Because I had no idea how I wanted my room to look. But anyway, I started off by putting away all of my clothes so that I can put my suitcases away and anything else that I use to carry any of my clothes, because those are usually the biggest things and I wanted them out of the way so I had space to do the rest of the room. In this video, it looks like I'm just stepping out for a second, but literally I just cut out the amount of time that is spent with me in a different room, because I would go for like 15 minutes and come back and it would just be the room sitting there by itself. Anyway, I am still putting my stuff away, but I'm also logged on to the meetings that I was supposed to be in on my laptop, which is sitting on the desk in the right. I joined the meetings, kept myself on mute with the camera off, and I just kept doing my room. They were kind of just babbling about the same stuff over and over. Now I'm putting up some hangers and turning my bed so that I can actually make a bed. I took, this box was like all the stuff for my dresser, and I got bored and put them away. And then I'm just literally chilling here. This is most likely the next day, and I was again just on meetings, standing around, listening to the meetings and cleaning my room. And I went back to the box that I was using for my dresser, and I started taking out all the stuff that I planned on keeping in my closet instead of the dresser, because usually in other semesters my dressers have been packed with a bunch of stuff, because as you can see there's a lot in that box. So I was just kind of taking that box apart and figuring out where I'm going to put all the stuff in it. Mostly my hair stuff, my makeup stuff, my lip glosses, and then my art supplies. And also making sure that I'm logging into the new meetings, because it would be like an hour and then we have to log in on a new link to go to a different meeting, which was all a part of the same system, which kind of made no sense, but that's what we were doing. So I was logged in for majority of the video. I'm gonna move on to talk about the videos I've been uploading and the process of me uploading in the future, because I literally took an entire month break, and that was completely unexpected. I started school and I honestly did not expect to be off for so long as far as like uploading, but this video specifically took way longer than I thought it was going to. So that was hard. But I have a list of video ideas that I plan on doing, and I will be uploading more often. I got distracted, but I'm back now. I have Netflix and Hulu suggestion videos, weird food combination videos, Q&As, fashion tutorials, hair tutorials, wash day videos. All of that is coming soon because I have it set up as a schedule of when to upload my videos, since I obviously was doing bad at just doing them whenever. But I will be uploading more often. Right now I can check off moving into my dorm from my list, since I finally have that video uploaded. If you hear this right now, I did it. That was a hiccup. But anyway, I was going to do a lovely wholesale haul video, but if I were to have done that, I would literally have been embarrassing myself, because the clothes were so bad that I looked dumb in them. They were sent in the wrong size, they looked crazy, and I would have been embarrassing myself if I got on camera with those clothes on, honestly. So the haul did not happen. I will show you guys a jacket that I got from the haul. That was literally the only good thing I got from them. That jacket is fire. Everything else was garbage. Anyway, the next video I think I'm going to do is the Valentine's Day goodie bag idea video. I don't know what the name is yet, obviously, but like, that's what I'm doing next. I'm going to be recording myself put together my little goodie bags that I plan on giving to my residents. What just passed in the video, which I was going to mention, but I was talking about something else. Let me know if you guys want to see videos of me painting, like the paintings that you've seen in this video so far. If you guys want to see any of them as they're being made, comment. Let's just saying, let me see you paint, or something like that, and I will record videos like time-lapse of me just painting whatever I'm painting, and I'll post those. Yeah, that could be another video idea that I put out there. After my Valentine's one, whether you guys say or not that you want to see a painting video, I'm probably going to upload one regardless of if you guys ask for it, because I think it's pretty cool to watch people paint in time-lapse. But this was my bed after I realized that I could turn the mattress and leave the bed frame as it is. So now my bed head is against the wall instead of the window, which is great because I was not trying to have my pillows fall onto the windowsill every morning. Here is me just showing you guys the final product of the room, because I had finally finished it. This is literally 2 weeks later, 1 or 2 weeks later, where I was like, you know what, I need to get out of bed, fix my room, and record this, because this video took way too long to make. This is my wall, and this is like one of my favorite walls because of how I put my pictures together. And I realized that my tapestry was not up when I was recording this part, so I'm going to show the room again soon with the tapestry up. But we took them down because we thought there were going to be people coming to inspect the room for fire hazards. Fire hazards? Is that what it is? Yes, fire hazards, I guess. I don't remember what it's called, but they were coming to check our rooms, so I took it down. And you're gonna see it back up in a bit, because I put it back up just for you guys, so you can see the final product. Peep my ring light over there, because it literally lit up my entire room. My room is so dull without my ring light. But yes, this is how my room turned out. That's my McDonald's, and that's my duty phone because I'm on duty right now. And as I was recording this, I completely forgot that I was supposed to be recording in landscape, so I had to re-record it. I had to re-record it in landscape so that you guys could see a proper view. That's my McDonald's again, and some books I'm reading. My duty phone, yes, you already heard. That's the tapestry. This is a weird angle, but this is my room. You like it? I like it. This is my room. And let me know what you guys want me to do next, because this video took way longer than it was supposed to, and I'm ready to just put other content out. People slamming doors in my house. Okay guys, this is the end. Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you like and subscribe because this video took way more longer than it was supposed to take, and I deserve it at this point. But bye.